what's
What's up, guys? It's Zach.
What's up, guys? My name is Zach, and today we are working on the Rx-7. Now, the Rx-7 needs a lot of things. It needs sway bars really bad. It needs the interior put back together. It has this weird stutter at idle sometimes, but we're not going to take care of any of that today. We're going to be doing strictly cosmetics. So I did order some hella fog lights off of Amazon because I think they're cool, and my driving lights at night are so dim, so I guess it is a safety thing. But the downside of the kit is that it has a terrible wiring harness, but Amazon doesn't know that I have an Adam, who's the wiring god. So we're gonna be putting together the fog lights tonight. We're just chilling. Gonna be a slow, calm, hangout-y video. Hopefully we'll get it done. Or the car will blow up, I don't know. But we'll see. What do I sound like?
Hi, guys. It's Zach.
It's exactly what I sound like.
I love how they gave you a Ziploc bag and then decided to heat seal it for some odd reason.
You gotta love Amazon Prime. Although Hella's kind of a good brand, no?
I mean, Hella is a name brand technically.
It has a name.
Well, you know what I mean. Hey, look, Scotch blocks. We won't be using those.
By the way, for those of you watching at home, I hope you understand, when I say we're working on the Rx-7, I mostly mean Adam. I hope he heard that. He's out in his Rx-7. I don't think he did. But yeah, Adam's just smarter. He's better. He's the mega chat of this channel. But see, look at even the way he walks. Chest out, proud ape moment.
I just always walk angry. I don't know. Boy.
I must admit, that's one of the most ungodly noises I've ever heard.
Yeah. Do I gotta go bigger? Or maybe not. Maybe I do have to go bigger. Alright, next size up.
What's happening?
I'm measuring lengths to make pretty spaghetti.
Those look pretty cool, huh? Nice. I'll be honest, with the headlights up and the fog lights on, it kind of looks like a character from Wimpy Kid Diaries. A little bit, I'll be honest.
That's okay.
But I still think it's cool. Adam, what's your Amazon rating of installing this fog light kit?
-4.
-4?
-4.
Was it hard? Was it bad? What was wrong with it?
It wasn't hard. The relay is just stupid. I don't know if anyone, like, it's hard to explain, but like the pins on the relay weren't where they were supposed to be. They're like, if you weren't paying attention, you could easily wire it wrong.
Wow, -4 stars. That's a harsh review, but a solid one, I think.